Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the device off and remove the battery or isolate power. Once done, use a precision driver and spudger to open seams. This minimizes panel stress. Make sure to photograph screw locations and connector orientations so reassembly is exact. You'll want the replacement port and ESD-safe workspace ready. This prevents short circuits and wasted time. If a clamp holds the board, loosen it carefully rather than forcing components. That's how you avoid accidental board damage. You'll now remove the old port. First, desolder retention points or remove screws, keeping track of shielding and flex cables. Apply controlled heat, roughly 300 to 350 degrees Celsius, and use solder wick to clear pads. Prolonged heat warps the PCB, so work in short bursts. Once the old port frees, clean pads with flux and isopropyl, then test pad continuity with a multimeter. After confirming clean, aligned pads, position the new port. That prep is why the new part seats correctly. You finish by soldering the new port with steady heat and minimal solder. Once secure, replace shielding and screws and reconnect flex cables exactly as photographed. Make sure to power up with the battery removed first, then measure charging current and data lines to confirm functionality. If something fails, inspect solder joints for bridges and cold joints, check pad continuity, and ensure the port's metal shell contacts ground. If issues persist, try a known good replacement port. Sometimes new parts are defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.